Hi guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're going to show you how to change clothes with generative fill in Photoshop Beta. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and if you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Now let's dive right in. So right here you can actually see your Photoshop open, and I have a picture of a girl right here. So here in the left hand corner we're gonna click on the lasso tool. The lasso tool should be in the free form, and what we're going to do is to simply outline the outfit of this lady right here in the picture. So there, once done, click on generate fill, and after that is you just need to type in what kind of outfit you would want to change. So from this turtleneck, I'm gonna change this to a yellow dress. Right, and basically it will give us these options. So we actually have three options available right here, and you just need to choose which option you would like to use into your Photoshop. So say for example, I would like to have this dress right here that has been generated, or the third dress. So I'm just gonna keep that one right there. So another thing that you could also do while you're here in your model section is you could add different accessories. So say for example, we would like to add some headband in her head. So I'm just going to simply use the lasso freeform tool, and again I'm going to put it here on her head. Now I'm just gonna type in headband right here, and then basically it will give me different kinds of options in this section. So we actually have more options to choose from with the headband as compared to the dress. So if you're not satisfied, or if you want to have a more specific option, I'm going to type in yellow headband. Alright, and click on generate. And there you have it. We have yellow headbands available. You just need to choose from the variations given. And that's about it for today's video. I hope you find this tutorial helpful. Please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button.